Hello everyone and welcome back to a new video. In this video I'm gonna show you guys how you can fix PlayStation 5 stuck in the safe mode. So if you guys want to learn how to do it, just follow the steps that I'm gonna show you. As you can see guys, I'm right now in the PlayStation 5 and this is how the homepage looks like. So right here, as you can see guys, you're gonna find your games and applications. If you go here to the right, you're gonna find your game library. So basically guys, right here, you're gonna find all of your installed games and apps. And if you go here to the left, you're gonna find PlayStation Plus and also PlayStation Store. And right here in the top, you're gonna find all of the sections. Here you're gonna find games, media, search, here you're gonna find settings, and lastly, right here, you're gonna find your profile icon. So basically guys, right now, if you want to fix PlayStation 5 stuck in the safe mode, first of all, just go ahead and click on the power button on your PlayStation 5 and then just turn it off with the power button. And then all you need to do guys, once you turn off your PlayStation 5, go ahead and click again on the power button or just click on the PS button on your controller. And then once you do that, you're gonna be the PlayStation 5 is gonna be turned on and you're not gonna be in the safe mode anymore. You're gonna be here in this page. Then just go ahead and choose the user you want to open, for example this one, and then just click on the user and then you're gonna be logged in to your PlayStation account normally. So basically guys, if you want to get in the safe mode, it's pretty easy. Make sure you turn off your PlayStation 5 and then just hold down the power button until you hear the beep 2 times and then release the button. Then you're gonna be in the safe mode. Thank you guys for watching. See you guys in the next video.